Hi boys and girls, this is for 6-13. So today we're going to be going over adding and subtracting three-digit numbers. So the first thing that I need you to check and circle is, are you subtracting or are you adding? So go up, look, we are adding. So the first thing you do before you add or subtract anything is circle that you are adding. I'm going to circle that I'm adding. And then I will answer these after. Did I make one new 10? Did I make one new 100 when I add it? So let's see. 5 plus 7 is 12. I got my 2. I have to take it, so now I've got 12. Yes, I did end up making a new 10. So yes. Now I add my 10s. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 6 is 16. So I draw my 6, draw my 10 for 16. I ended up making a new 100. I would write yes again. And then I add my hundreds. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. So I got my answer of 762. Moving over to the next one. Now remember, our first step is not to begin, it's to circle if I'm subtracting or adding. I look at my sign, I am subtracting, so I'm going to circle subtract. Then I can continue. 2 minus 5. I can't take 5 away from 2, so I'm going to have to borrow. My 6 becomes a 5. My 2 becomes a 12. Now I can subtract. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Now down here it's also going to ask, did you ungroup to get 10 ones? Yes, I did. I took a 10 to get 10 ones, so I would write yes. Now I'm going to subtract my 10s. 5 minus 9, still can't do it, so I'm going to have to borrow. My 7 over here is going to become a 6. And this 5 is going to become 15. It also asks, did I ungroup to get 10 10s? Yes, I did, because I took one from my 7 and added it to my 5 to make 15. So yes. Now I can subtract the rest. 15 minus 9 equals 6. 6 minus 3 equals 3, because I know my doubles. Oops. Oh, you all know that means 3. So I got my answer of 367. Also in this one, you're going to be drawing math mountains again, so I thought I would review with one that you know very well. Now I'm only going to draw 2 equations, but you know that you can draw a lot more. So I'm going to do 7 plus 8 equals 15. We know that this is correct. We can check this by doing subtraction too. 15 minus 7 equals 8. Now you know that you can do a lot more than just 2, but I'm doing 2 for right now. So if we did 7 plus 8, these two together, we're going to get 15. If we did 15 minus 7, you're going to get 8. So remember that as we move over to our hundreds, when we are subtracting hundreds. So right here we have 532 minus 181. I'm going to draw Math Mountain on the side real quick. So in my Math Mountain, on top is going to be my biggest number. Well, I'm subtracting, so this is my biggest number, 532. Then I'm subtracting 181. I'm going to write that right here. 181. Now I'm going to subtract. So this part you can do normally. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 8, can't do it, so I'm going to borrow. 5 becomes a 4. My 3 becomes 13. 3's always go a little funky. I'm sorry about that. Try one more time. My 3 becomes 13. So 13 minus 8 equals 5. Then 4 minus 1 equals 3. Now in this section, you are not done. You don't get to call this good. You need to be 100% sure that this is the correct answer. So I'm going to show you how you can check it. So let me put this in my Math Mountain, 351. So if this is correct, 532 minus 181 equals 351, I can check by saying 351 plus 181 should equal 532. Because remember, if I scroll back, you should be able to do a minus, take the big number minus the leg equals the other leg, and you should be able to add both of these legs to make our total. It's the same thing over here, the numbers are just bigger. So let's try it. I'm going to do 351 and then plus 181, and it should equal, if everything turns out right, 532. I'm going to draw it in blue so we can see some differences. But I'm not just going to write 532. I'm actually going to add these together and see, does it equal 532? So let's start with our ones. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 5 plus 8, see 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm going to write 3. I'm going to carry my 1 over. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. 532. It's the same, which means that my 351 is correct. So check your work, boys and girls. If you do not get the same total answer, there's a mistake somewhere, either in your subtraction or in your addition. But when you see this check mark here, that means that you need to check your work by doing the opposite operation. So if it says subtract, you need to add. If it says to add, then you need to subtract. So remember, draw your Math Mountain, do the opposite. So if it says that you subtracted 532 minus 181, then you're going to add your two add-ins, and it should equal your total number. All right, good luck, boys and girls. Let me know if you have any questions.